Old Faithful here. Go grab the decoys. I have never been much on using decoys, but this past weekend kind of changed my mind a little bit, so I think we're going to take them just in case. And we're going to hit the road. What's going on, everybody? We didn't have any luck the other day sneaking up on those birds, but we've come back in here again today. It's Monday, April the 15th, and we're back in the same block. And back where I came in that morning, I decided to I'd go ahead and bring those decoys back just in case one did come out here in the field. So far, haven't heard a peep on the roost. When I was walking in, I actually did a couple of owl hoots. Nothing. And where I typically hear those birds gobbling, I have not heard them yet, but they didn't gobble the other day on the roost either. That was a little windy that day. It got real windy as the day went, but anyway, they do like to roost over my right shoulder. And so that's why I'm trying to be real quiet. And then straight across the field where they were when we brought Camden out here, they like to roost over in there too, a couple hundred yards away. But haven't heard a thing, but we're gonna give it a go. It's supposed to be in the high 80s today, which is unusual for April. But we're gonna give it a go. If I'm not hearing anything, I know some places through here I can walk and check. But hopefully something will start making some racket here in just a little bit. But you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna get my gloves and my face mask on, and we're gonna get ready. I got those decoys really close to me today, so I may have to break me a tree limb now that I'm looking at it, just so that it doesn't interfere with the camera too much. But if they come in, it's going to be some up-close footage, I can assure you of that, because I had to bring them in where the grass was short, so literally they're only 10 yards from me. And so I have to be like ultra stealthy today. So so I loaded those decoys up and stuffed them in the edge of the woods where I was sitting. Made a move. I haven't heard a peep. Just got out of here and did a few yelps on the class call and just had one gobble out here in front of me. I cannot see him, so I'm just trying now to see if I can peek and see him without busting him, because I'm still in the edge of the woods here. But he didn't sound real far away at all. He's out in the field, it sounds like. we have got it done. That's a big bird. Big old bird. Got some big hooks on him too. Nice bird. I know he had a big beard too. I'm gonna try to get him out here where we can get some pictures of him, and we'll see what we can come up with here for pictures. Well, there you go. Big bird. It's got a nice full beard. I mean, a darn paintbrush beard. Very long spurs. They're at least an inch long. We'll get up here and get some measurements, but I'm gonna get them out here where we can take some pictures. All right, guys. So as you can tell, we have had an eventful morning. As you can tell from the footage we got in here, there was not a peep being said. They actually, I ended up getting up, gathering up the decoys, threw them in a bag, and stuffed them there in the edge of the woods. And I was like, all right, I've got to be back at the house in less than an hour from right now to take my son to school. And so I decided to go out, but I was like, all right, stash everything up. I'm gonna go check a couple of fields. Well, when I got down there, got out here to the pond, and where I saw those birds strutting the other day, I called, and over my shoulder here, back out in the field, I heard one gobble. And so I just hunkered down right where I was, and I apologize for the footage. It was very thick. There's a downfall tree right there, and I just hunkered down, threw the camera blind around my camera, got hunkered in, and they came right to me. And there was one hen with them. It was 3 toms that Camden shot at one of them the other day, and they all came over here with the hen, just like they were the other day when I was in here. They were not going to leave her, but they ended up coming to me, and I shot one of them. And as you can tell from the footage, man, the other 2 just ganged up on this bird. Yeah, man, it's an eventful morning. I'm very happy that I got up this morning and came. I wish that I had a buddy with me, because if I did, we would have doubled up. We could have had 2 guys with me and tripled. I want to thank Verdict Ammunition. Once again, they did the job. And, you know, yes, he wasn't that far away. I could have done that with any shell, but I love having the confidence that when I pull the trigger, that Verdict ammo is just it's gonna smack them and put them down. But we're gonna get a couple more pictures and get everything drug up out of here. I've got a long walk back to the truck to carry a camera, my gun, the turkey, and the decoys right by myself. So I love it. I hope you guys do too. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button to our channel. Like this video, comment on it if you're ready for turkey season. If you've already laid the smackdown on there, comment down below. Let us know what you're doing this season. And we wish you luck the rest of the season. Stay tuned, because there's going to be more birds hitting the ground.